Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Put your hands on your heart. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Taking your attention to your breathing. Observe how every breath is coming in and going out. Feeling your hand on your chest. Feeling your heart. Feeling your breath. And allowing yourself to expand. Once again, connect with your angels, connect with the universe. Just expand in all the directions beyond the room you are in, beyond the city, beyond the country, beyond the entire planet, beyond all the other planets in the solar system, beyond the entire galaxy and all the other galaxies and the entire universe and all the universes. Let go of the control and expand. And this is who you truly are, an infinite being that is so expansive. And from that space of expansiveness, take your awareness to the earth, to your house, to where you are, and acknowledge that you have a body that is in you. You are not your body. You are an infinite being. And everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, you bought the lies that you are a limited person or anything less than that. Just allow yourself to release all of that. Allow yourself to release it, give it to the universe, and universe will happily heal it for you. Everywhere, whatever was done to you or whatever happened that made you decide and conclude that you can't trust you, that you should not trust you, that you must always look to others for validation. Just allow yourself to let go of all of that. Everywhere you decided that you are not good enough. Everywhere you learned from whoever you learned it from, that the way to improve in your life is to look at your limitations and then correct them, instead of the gifts you have, the difference you are, and the things you enjoy doing, and doing more of that. Everywhere you gave up your awareness, as it was so easy. And you were not supposed to do what was easy, you were supposed to do difficult. That was right. Everywhere you learned that if you're doing the difficult thing, you are a better person. Or only those who do the difficult thing are good people. Just allow yourself to release all of that. Just release. Everywhere you bought from others, that you can't trust you, that they can't trust you. Everywhere people told you that they can't and should not trust you, and you bought that lie, just allow yourself to let go of all of that. Everywhere you were so different and so unpredictable, and you concluded that being predictable and stable and the same every day is the only right thing to do, and you gave up being yourself so that they can trust you. Just allow yourself to release all of that. And now connect with the energy of the universe, connect with your angels, and ask them to contribute to you and charge you up. With the divine energies, and allow yourself to claim, own, and acknowledge all the trust that you had in yourself and you gave up just because someone did not validate it. Allow yourself to be so selfish that you do not bother for others' validation. That you trust you, whether anyone else trusts you or not. This is an element, a key element for you to even connect with the angels and universe and receive from them. As the more you trust your awareness, the more your awareness grows. Everywhere you doubted your awareness and thus blocked it, allow yourself to let go of all of that. When you are aware of something, even if no one else is aware of it or not, trust you. Do not trust anyone else more than you trust yourself. Trust yourself. Trust your awareness. Even if it makes no sense, even if it feels so weird, even if it doesn't sound or feel real, just trust you. If you are feeling your angels right now, that is it. That's your truth. No one else has to validate it. Just trust your connection with your angels. Just trust your connection with your universe. And trust your connection with you. Everywhere you had been expecting others to have your back, everywhere you were waiting for someone to come in your life, or someone who is already there in your life to stand for you, just let go of all those expectations. You stand for yourself. You have your own back. Allow yourself to trust your awareness and trust the whispers of the universe that comes to you and give you the information you require when you're doing the reading, when you're asking your own questions, or when they show up themselves to just respond to some question you had already asked in the past. Trust those awareness. Don't go in your head. Be in your awareness. Now, allow yourself to move to a future where you are living a life where you trust the universe 100%. If you would start living a life knowing that universe has your back and will always provide for you, and all you got to do is ask and receive, how would that life be? Allow everything else to just dissipate and release. Allow yourself to perceive the energy of that future. Do not go into your head thinking how that will happen. How is not your job. That is universe's job. What if your job is just to ask? And then trust that the universe is on its way to provide, and then allow yourself to receive it and eventually receive it with ease. Life is actually as simple as this. Ask, trust, allow, receive. And then another ask, trust, allow, receive. Every situation, even if it could be a little uncomfortable situation, is actually igniting a new ask in you, is pushing you to ask something different that you haven't asked yet? What if that situation is helping you to ask beyond your comfort, that or beyond the limitation of your mind, and create new possibilities for yourself and even for the people around who are choosing to come along? Just trust that with every situation, universe has your back. Your angels have your back. You have your back. Take a long deep breath in and let go. And whenever you feel comfortable, take all your time, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.